How to join Eprolo branding project and build your brand. Eprolo branding is the best solution to build your brand. We source, customize and dropship for you. Eprolo offers 2 membership plans. One for beginners and one for dropshipping experts. So, how to join and enjoy exclusive benefits. 1. Freely sign up Eprolo branding project. Create an Eprolo account with your email address. 2. Choose a membership plan. A. Join Junior membership. Junior membership is for dropshipping beginners or small order store owners. Here you need to upload your logo and fill in your contact info. Then click the button to proceed with payment. B. Join Senior membership. Senior membership is for dropshipping experts or store owners with 10+ orders per day. Please upload your store's order data for the application and fill in the contact info before you pay. Click the button to submit your application. After you get approval, you can upload the logo and then pay. Three. Confirm design diagrams. Membership activates. Eprolo will design and send you the example pictures via Skype, WhatsApp, message inbox, or email. After confirmation, the pictures will be updated. Open the button so that Eprolo will customize the product with your logo. 4. Pay orders with custom logo. When you receive an order, Eprolo will auto-sync it from your store. Your payment includes the product cost, shipping cost, and customization fee. You can check the customization pricing rule in Branding Project. After you pay, Eprolo will source, customize and ship the product to your customer.